Solano County has declared a local emergency as it investigates a troubling case of coronavirus. Let's start with the latest numbers for you. Now, 28 cases have been confirmed in the state. At least 8 of those cases are here in Northern California. 8,400 more people are being monitored for symptoms of that virus. KPIX5's Da Lin live in Fairfield with new details on the case in Solano County. Da?
Alan, this marks a turning point in the containment of the coronavirus. Now, health officials say this woman likely got infected in the community. She has not gone to a virus hotspot like China or come in contact with someone who did. So this would be the first known community transmission case.
We have identified family members of this individual, and they are in isolation pending testing. They'll remain in quarantine for this 14 days since last exposure to the patient. The patient's workplace has been fully addressed as well, and we are identifying any potential interactions with people that are not employees in the workplace during the time that the person was infectious. The good news in the community is that the individual is really only potentially infectious for about a 3-day window before hospitalization occurred.
Health officials say the infected woman came to North Bay Vaca Valley Hospital in Vacaville on February 15th with flu-like symptoms. After her health continued to decline, paramedics transferred her to UC Davis Medical Center 4 days later. That was where she tested positive for COVID-19. Some Vacaville residents are now worried the virus may already be in the community.
I would be concerned about going to the market. Eating out is really a big concern.
We would not do any traveling right now, just as a precaution, because she is already, her immune system is bad.
That man says they just can't take any chances because his wife is already dealing with other pre-existing medical issues. Now, aside from identifying the infected woman's contacts, health officials are trying to make sure the medical workers who treated her are not infected. Hospital officials are working to identify and isolate those workers. Now, health officials declared a state of emergency here in Solano County. That declaration is going to provide them faster access to resources that can really help them contain this problem. For now, live in Fairfield, I'm Da Lin, KPIX5.